Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the file too large upload error on Gumroad in 2026. Are you trying to upload your product and seeing file too large? This can completely stop your product launch, especially if you're uploading videos, high resolution files, or large software packages. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the file too large error on the Gumroad step by step. So let's start by fixing it. First thing you want to do is to check the Gumroad file size limits. Now let's go back here, as I made some research. It says Gumroad has specific file size limits depending on the price of your product, with a maximum of 16 gigabytes per file for paid products and 250 megabytes for free products. Now, as you can see here, you're gonna have to understand the Gumroad file size limits depending on your account type. If your file exceeds the allowed size, it won't upload, and you'll immediately get the error. And if you're uploading very large videos, files, or software packages, this is usually an issue. Second thing you want to do is to compress your files. If it's a PDF, reduce the resolution. A video, lower the bitrate or exports in H.264 format. And multiple files, compress them into a zip file. And you can also use tools like built-in zip compression, video compression software, or PDF compression tools. This often reduces size dramatically. You can also split the files into parts. If the files are too large, you can split them into part 1, part 2, part 3, and uh, upload as separate downloadable files. Now, also you can host externally. Another solution is to upload your files to Google Drive or Dropbox or private hosting. Then you can send the buyer the Google Drive link and he can download it from there. And this avoids Gumroad's file size restriction completely. Now you can also optimize before exporting. If you're creating a video content, export in 1080 pixels instead of 4K. Design files remove unused assets, and PSD AI files flatten layers if possible. Optimization prevents future upload problems. Now, files too large errors usually come from oversized videos, PDFs, or uncompressed files. Compress, split, or host externally, and your upload problems will be solved fast. And if you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.